This video offers a visually satisfying exploration of the time evolution of a wave function interacting with various types of potential barriers. This is a core concept in quantum mechanics, showing how particles behave as waves, even in situations that defy classical intuition. We'll examine how the wave function reacts to different potentials, highlighting key quantum phenomena like reflection and tunneling. Here, we have a Gaussian wave packet with non-zero initial momentum inside an infinite potential well. As time passes, the packet oscillates and shifts due to its momentum. It reflects off the walls, but its center moves, creating a dynamic pattern within the well.